Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Preeti, your life coach and law of attraction guide. In this video, I wanted to share my personal success story using the mirror manifestation method. In the last video, I had shared with you guys what the mirror manifestation technique is and how you can use it. So here is my story of how I manifested multiple jobs and increased my income using the mirror manifestation technique. So I came across the mirror manifestation technique some time ago and I wanted to try it. Since it was very easy, I started doing it every morning. I kept doing it without any specific intention. I just wanted to have that positive energy around me and know that the mirror is going to reflect all that positivity back into my life. So I kept doing that and it just was only 5 minutes every day. And then around day 20 or so, I got a call from this company who was offering me a job. But I was not even looking for a job. I did not apply. They contacted me and they were interested in working with me. I told them that, look, I am busy right now. I have my own business, my personal clients, and I also have a part-time job, so I don't really have the time. So they told me that this is a flexible job. You decide how many hours you want to work. There are no fixed working hours. It's very flexible. So that interested me. I said, okay, maybe I can move my schedule a little bit and see if this makes sense. And if I can work a few extra hours and make some money on the side, that would be great. So I opted for it. I started this new job. I couldn't really focus on it for too long, just a few hours every day. And it was a pretty good and interesting job. I was happy with it. And then, the next week, I got another call. This time, it was a different company. And guess what? They wanted to hire me too. Again, I did not apply. The universe just dropped these two jobs in my lap without even me trying. This company was again willing to offer me a flexible job, but the best part was their salary or the rate that they were paying me for the project was double that of the other job that I had just joined. So obviously I was super excited. I was just so happy that I already got an extra job when I was not looking for it. And now here I was with another job that was paying me twice the amount of money for the same job. So obviously I took it and I went back to the other company and told them, look, I am not going to be able to do it because I just got this other job. All this happened within 2 weeks. I started doing the mirror manifestation for about 20 days, and in the next 2 weeks, I got a good flexible job, and after that, my income was doubled because of another job. So this is such an amazing and wonderful story, and I'm so grateful for the universe for introducing me to this mirror manifestation technique and also giving me such positive results. This success story really makes me believe that mirror manifestation is magical. If you do it every day and do it with full belief consistently, you are going to get results. Just look at me. I was able to increase my income, manifest more money without even me trying. Isn't that so wonderful? The reason I'm sharing this story with you is to inspire and motivate you guys to try this technique. Try it for yourself and tell me what wonderful things you guys are able to manifest. I'm eagerly waiting to hear your success stories. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others so that they also benefit from this amazing manifestation technique. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!